guys, welcome to Komata. Today we'll draw our favorite superhero, Superman. We'll start by drawing a little standing line right here. Then follow up with a few connected lines to make his shape. Then draw a few more lines from here to here that should be the shape of his hat. So then, we'll draw his hair with wiggly lines right here. Then proceed on with the rest of his hairline. Drop it down, then curve a little to close up his ear. Next, we'll draw his eyes. We'll start to draw the eyes. Then his nose. Then start to put details on his face now. We'll put a little line down here. Then put lines to make up his shoulder. Next, we'll start to draw his body. Close it up with a line right now. Then drag a little curve down right here. Same over here too. Then put a little curved line right here. Now another one on this side as well, but just a little lower. Then continue on from there down to here. Next up, follow up from the end of the curve down to here. Now narrow this part down a bit. Next step, put a line down the middle here. Then a parallel another line next to it. Follow it down a bit with a zigzag line. Same thing on this side as well. On this side, draw a zigzag line down right here. The same thing on this side too. Now start to draw his feet like so. Next, draw his other feet on this side. Then continue with his right arm. Now curve in and out right down from here. Parallel it to make the shape of an arm. Then draw his fist right here. Next, start to draw his left arm. Parallel it with another line to make a left arm. Finish it up by drawing the left fist. Now, we're gonna draw two lines to make up his bell. Then add two horizontal lines to make up his belt buckle. Finish up his suit with two lines on each side. And then, let's draw his cape with the following steps. Follow the lines right here. Now do it on this side. A big curve, then we'll draw it down. Now connect this part to this part with zigzag lines. And now we draw his famous S sign. Starting with a diamond shape in the middle. Then draw the S shape like that. Perfect! Okay guys, that's all for today. See you!